In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to show declined events in your calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to show declined events on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for apps, and then from there you want to hit apps, and then from there what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for calendar. Once you find calendar, you want to look and hit calendar settings, and then from there what you want to do is look for a feature called hide declined events, and then from there you can toggle it off to show declined events. And there you have it, everyone, just a quick tip on how to show declined events on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.